So, what does olive oil do for your body? That's what we're going to talk about today. Today, we are delving into the effects of olive oil on the body. Many of us have included olive oil in our diets for years, often unaware of its true quality. Authentic olive oil carries a distinct character that sets it apart from the impersonators. Unlike the lackluster imitations, true olive oil leaves a unique sensation, even mild itchiness at the back of the throat. So, the question is, what does olive oil do to the body and what's in the olive oil that creates these effects? Olive oil has antioxidant effects, anti-inflammatory effects for arthritis, and inflammation in the arteries. It contains all sorts of cardiovascular benefits, including decreasing blood pressure. There are a lot of nerve and brain effects on your cognitive function, memory, and mood, as well as anti-cancer effects. There are amazing effects on the skin and even impacts on your eyes. Olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet and has been associated with numerous health benefits. It contains a variety of compounds that can have positive effects on the body. Antioxidants can help prevent or slow cell damage caused by free radicals. Olive oil contains several antioxidants, including vitamin E and phenolic compounds. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to various diseases. Olive oil has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Cardiovascular disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. Olive oil has been shown to have several cardiovascular benefits, including reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The brain requires a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to function properly. Olive oil has been shown to have nerve and brain effects that may help maintain cognitive function, memory, and mood. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in olive oil may have anti-cancer properties. Vitamin E is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy skin. It helps produce collagen, a protein that gives skin elasticity. The high concentration of monounsaturated fat in olive oil is unique. However, monounsaturated fat does not provide the therapeutic benefits of olive oil. Instead, it's a group of plant chemicals called polyphenols responsible for these benefits. Polyphenols are a type of chemical found in plants, specifically in the fruit of the olive tree. While olive oil contains a small amount of vitamin E and vitamin K1, the polyphenols provide the most significant health benefits. Polyphenols are a group of plant chemicals found in the fruit of the olive tree that provide many of the therapeutic benefits of olive oil. The word poly means many, and phenols is a term used to describe a specific chemistry or chemical derived from plants. Let's break down the science behind these special polyphenols that work wonders in our bodies. Polyphenols are like the secret ingredients plants have to protect themselves. They have some pretty neat effects, especially in helping us stay healthy when dealing with ongoing diseases and that troublesome thing called oxidative stress that can harm our cells. Here's the interesting part. These polyphenols are made from amino acids. Think of amino acids as the building blocks of life. These amino acids follow a specific route called the shikimate pathway to transform into powerful polyphenols. What's funny is that our bodies don't use this pathway, but it's the go-to route for plants and tiny organisms called microbes. Here's where it gets even more interesting. There's this thing called glyphosate, which is commonly used as an herbicide to tackle weeds. But here's the twist, it also behaves like an antibiotic. Glyphosate throws a wrench in the works by blocking the shikimate pathway. It's like a roadblock that prevents amino acids from becoming polyphenols. So, when glyphosate enters the scene, the road is closed for both plants and microbes. This is where choosing organic olive oil comes into play. When you pick organic, you ensure that your olive oil comes with the full package of polyphenols. These polyphenols are the true superheroes in olive oil, bringing all the health benefits. If they're missing, the benefits don't show up. So, the key takeaway here is that if you want to make the most out of olive oil, go for the organic option. That way, you're getting those fantastic polyphenols that turn olive oil into a real health booster. Let's take a closer look at this shikimate pathway. It's not just about polyphenols but also involves creating some essential substances in our body. Think of it like a production line that makes chemicals like dopamine, noradrenaline, which affects how we feel, thyroid hormones, serotonin, a mood regulator, and melatonin, which helps us sleep. It's fascinating that exposure to glyphosate, that herbicide we discussed earlier, might be linked to problems with sleep, mood, and even thyroid issues for many people. As we learn more, we find connections between glyphosate and our gut microbiome, the community of tiny living things in our digestive system. This could lead to stomach and metabolism problems. But here's the catch. Those polyphenols, the special good things found in items like olive oil, depend on certain particular amino acids to change into the helpful substances our bodies need. It's like a magical change. And here's another twist. Polyphenols aren't the easiest things for our bodies to break down and use alone. It's like they need a little help. That's where our friendly microbes come in. They're like tiny workers living in us. They break down the polyphenols so our bodies can use them. So, the more we dig into this, the more we see how these pathways and compounds in our bodies connect, affecting everything from our mood to how our stomach feels. It's a reminder that our bodies are pretty amazing systems with all kinds of stuff behind the scenes. And the last thing we want you to know is that salads contain polyphenols and other phytonutrients that can benefit your health. The absorption of these compounds is dependent on the presence of fat. Monounsaturated fats, such as those found in olive oil, can help extract these phytonutrients from your food. Avoiding cheap products that may be fake or diluted with other oils when purchasing olive oil is essential. To ensure that you're getting real olive oil, try smelling it and see if it irritates the back of your throat. If it does, then it's likely to contain phytonutrients. If it's too mild or bland, then it may not be genuine. Finally, always choose organic extra virgin olive oil to avoid potential glyphosate exposure. If this information is valuable and insightful, please consider subscribing to Healthy Lifetalk. Don't forget to hit the like button and share these enlightening discussions with your friends and family. Together, we can spread the knowledge and work towards healthier lives for everyone. Thank you for your support.